So I was watching this YouTube video, and they had this 14-year-old boy. He's in school talking about his business, oh, I'm gay and everything, and everything. And they have this. He goes to this place and talks about his gayness, And I don't have no problem with gay people. Uh, so the teacher got suspension, fired without pay. So, cause I guess the guy, another boy, comments on the gay dude, So he got fired for telling the dude, asking about why is gay people in the school if they gay, This supposed to be a school, not no gay school. And the teacher told him like it is, and he got fired. Listen, God made people just so they could do stuff. If they gay, they gay. God loves them, you know. Why can't you like them? So it's kind of simple. Like gay people, don't like gay people. Just don't listen to them. That's all I'm saying. If you don't like gay people, stay away from them. Say if you don't have nothing nice to say, don't say it at all. I'm not gay. I'm not bi. I'm straight. I just wanted to let y'all know to hang on to gay people. Just be their friend. They wants to talk to people, so you should support them. Yeah.